Hello, today's video is an unboxing video and I'm gonna be unboxing this little box from Lucky Scents. Well, this is my second time ordering from Lucky Scents. Let me show you what I ordered. And as you can see in the unboxing, I ordered Sunset Hour from Goldfield and Banks. Sunset Hour is from this niche perfume house called Goldfield and Banks. It's from Australia, and this is called again Sunset Hour, Western Australia. And this is my first fragrance from this perfume house. I never smelled this before. I never smelled any fragrance from Goldfield and Bank. This is a completely blind buy perfume. And I wanted to try this one because it's a new fragrance. I also want to try another one from them, another new one, but I'm going to order it in the future. I don't remember the name of this fragrance, but it has coconut on it, and it is calling my name. It says, buy it, buy it, buy it, but I'm gonna wait. Now that the summer is coming, I'm crazy looking for fragrances with coconut notes on them. But this one, since it's new, I wanted to make the first impression video, and also it seems like a good perfume for spring and summer. So this is Sunset Hour, and in the box it says that it has the notes of Italian Mandarin, desert peach from Australia, pear accord, raspberry, Jasmin Sambac Absolute, ginger from Nigeria, pink pepper from Madagascar, Sandalwood from Australia, vanilla Madagascar, Cashmere Wood, and Benzoin from Laos. I'm gonna leave you the information in the description box of this video so you can see more about it. But before I open this and smell it for the first time, they sent me these 4 samples. They sent me this another Goldfield and Bank Bohemian Lime, from BDK Parfums Gris Charnel. I've been wanting to try those. Goldfield and Bank Silky Woods. I wanna try these Silky Woods in the future. And from Unique Luxury Crush on Me. I really wanna try this one. I am afraid it's gonna fall. Smell like caramel. Okay, let me open the Sunset Hour and let's smell it for the first time. This is a 3.4 fluid ounces, 100 ml. I bought it at Lucky Scents, but you can also find it at Sackfit Avenue, also at Bloomingdale. Sometimes they have specials. I love Sackfit Avenue because they are always sending me 20% off coupons, and this perfume is available at Sackfit Avenue. Also, it's available at Bloomingdale's. I'm not sure if it's available at Neiman Marcus, but in Neiman Marcus, they don't have promotions that often like in Sackfit Avenue. If you in Sackfit Avenue you sign up for email, sometimes they send 20% off coupon code, so you can buy this one and other fragrances at Sackfit Avenue discounted with 20% off discount. So it's good because these fragrances are new and you cannot find them anywhere else at discounted price. So I'm giving you that tip. Sign up for email at Sackfit Avenue and also Bloomingdale's. They have good promotions sometimes. It has like a box sleeve Look at this beauty. This is a very beautiful bottle. I never thought this was going to be this beautiful. It comes with this little card. Sunset Hour is a perfume concentration of more or less 20% essence. The perfumer is Honorine Blanc. This fragrance is described as juicy, delicious, spicy, joyful. Oh my God, I already put all my fingers on it. It's so beautiful, I don't want to get it dirty. Okay, this is the bottle. I hope I like it. The cap is, it looks like wood. I can smell the wood on this cap. Ooh, it smells good. So this is how it looks. It's really beautiful. I love it. I never thought this was going to be this beautiful. It's a beautiful presentation. And the color of the juice is like peachy color, like the sunset. It's kind of goldish and peach, light peach, golden color. Very beautiful. The founder of this company is Dimitri Weber. So this is perfect for spring and summer. That's why I think they are promoting this perfume now, because we're just in spring, in full spring, no, the beginning of spring. I'm gonna use this card to spray it on the card first and then on my skin. Oh my God, this perfume smells so good. This is beautiful. I can wait. I'm gonna put it on my skin. This is gonna be my perfume of the day. Este va a ser mi perfume del día. Estoy enamorada de este perfume, de verdad. I'm really in love with this perfume. This is perfect for spring and summer. Oh, wow. Wow, this smells so good. I don't want to say more wows, but this is really good. It's a big yes. I'm really happy that I got this perfume in my collection. I can think of, maybe if you don't like fruity floral perfumes, maybe you won't like this one. But this is not a regular fruity floral perfume. This is like a more exclusive niche fruit flower perfume. It smells so good. I can't wait to feel the dry down. I hope it lasts. So far, the first impression is positive. I want to spray it all over. Me lo quiero echar por todos lados. Bueno, My first impression on Goldfield and Blanc Australia is very positive. I like this perfume and I think it's perfect for a spring and summer. I think this will be really good for a first date or a date in the park or a date in the evening. I think the person who smells you, or if you go on a date with someone, they will feel very attracted to your smell. This fragrance smells really good. I am really happy to add this perfume from Goldfield and Bank to my collection. I feel like I'm biting and eating one of those French macarons, especially a vanilla one or a pink one or the one that is kind of golden, maybe orange one. That's what it comes to my mind when I smell the fragrance on my body. I don't know about longevity, but it's really good. It's perfectly blended. I'm happy with my purchase. I'm happy, like I said before, or I don't know how many times. I'm really happy to have a fragrance from Goldfield and Bank on my collection. I can't wait to smell the dry down on this perfume. That's it. I'm happy with my purchase. I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I also love the presentation of the bottle and the wood cup. It still smells like wood. I'm really satisfied. That's it for this video. I see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.